रेडियो अपना फ्रैंक फहद दिल से कहता है. Hi everyone. So we have Dr. Sindhuja, a practicing doctor at Kreis Krankenhaus in Strobenhausen near Munich. And she will be talking to us about how one can be part of the medical system in Germany. So Dr. Sindhuja.
Well, Raman, thanks for giving me this opportunity. Well, I would like to help out all the Indian medical graduates. They most of them wish to be studying here in Germany. So people usually ask many questions. So I'd like to brief out how could one get into the system here. Basically, there are 3 steps each one of us has to follow to get into the medical system here. The first step being learning the language. People usually have a question. They want to know if it has to be B2 or C1 or B1. Usually, most of the states accept the language until B2. But having C1 will actually increase the chances. And there's also this question that people ask if they have to do it in India or if they have to do it in Germany. I think until B2, it doesn't make any difference if you do it in India or in Germany. Unless and until you have some German contacts, like you know some German who you could communicate every day to. But yeah, if they have financial constraints, they can actually finish B2 in India and then come here. Or they can come here and start with the language. It doesn't make any difference. So the most important criteria being the first step is to learn the language to have minimum of B2. And the second step is called Fachsprachprüfung. Like as the meaning says, it's an exam to test your German language. But it's the medical German that's being tested. This test usually has a set of examiners. Like it's usually 3 examiners, 2 of them are doctors, and one of them is a German teacher. And out of these 2 doctors, one of them enacts as a patient. So this is a simulation of clinical scenario. So this exam consists of 3 parts again. The first step will be case taking. You'll have to extract the history from the patient. This part lasts for like about 20 minutes in Bayern. The second part, you'll have to write down what all you have learned from the patient. This is the place where your written German will be tested. That will be corrected by your language teacher and you'll be assessed there. And the third step being, this is like Viva in our India. It's like you'll be asked questions pertaining to the history that's being taken. Usually what is most important is the test if you have understood what the patient has spoken to you. So it is very, very important to listen very keenly to the patient. Then this is called Fachsprachprüfung. Passing this exam will allow you to work for 2 years. So it's like you'll be given a limited work permit when you get through this exam. And the third step is called Kenntnisprüfung. This is knowledge exam actually, to like literally translate it from German. But this exam, this is like a real-time exam. This will be done in a hospital, in a proper hospital setting. You'll be given a true patient. So you'll again be examined. But does everybody have to go for this exam? Not really. There are this exam can also be bypassed. How can one bypass is one has to submit their curriculum. Like from India, you can either submit your MCI curriculum or curriculum from your university to the particular concerned Regierung, and they'll assess, they'll try to contemplate if both the curriculums match. If it matches the German curriculum, you can actually bypass the exam. Few get through it very easily, few might not get it. The time period varies. Few get it in 2 months, few might have to wait until 1 year, and then after 1 year, the response would be no. Then you'll have to appear for the exam again. Yeah. So it's quite variable. So what people do is, instead of waiting for such a long period, they usually appear for the exam. So the exam, the preparation might take like around 4 months, 6 months, and then they give the exam and they're done with the exam. That means you get that's called approbation. That's a permanent license to work here in Germany. Yeah, that is all about it.
Thank you. Thank you very much for sharing this information. And I'm pretty sure this is going to help a lot of Indians listening to Apna.
Apna friend for